Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to reset Microsoft Paint default position and size. Handy if you've moved it around quite a few times, or maybe you got it off screen and can't get it back, something silly like that. We can do this with a registry file, or we can actually edit the registry yourself. Well, the first thing we want to do is close Paint, and I'm going to leave it over here so you can see what happens. We're going to close it here. And you're going to go to our tutorial page and follow this link to download Reset Microsoft Paint. The link will appear right here, right about now. So you can jump to this page, download it by following that link and click download now. You'll wait about 3 to 5 seconds and you should see the download pop up down here. There we go. So we'll click on that or open it in your download folder. And let's extract them. You don't always have to, but I really prefer to. And it'll automatically open if you're using Windows zip compression. And here it is right here. We know Paint's closed, so let's do reset. And with all registry files, you have to click run, click yes, and click yes again, and finally click OK once they tell you the changes have been made. Now let's go ahead and try and open up Paint and see where it's at. It should be, in a perfect world, right where it was the day Windows was installed. There you go. As you remember, I left it way over here on the outside edge. So it's kind of handy for a few people. I'm really surprised how many views the article got. I didn't think anybody would care. That feels so good. So here's the other thing we can do. If you want to do it yourself in the registry, you can. So do the Windows key plus R and type in regedit. And this might be nice just so you see what we're doing and how you really can't do any harm here. And I like to say that especially for people who aren't used to playing with the registry. This is one of the things you can't hurt anything. Let's highlight this right here. Once again, it's in that link that I mentioned earlier that showed up at 30 seconds. It's probably still up here as a little eye. Let's copy that, come over here and press Control V and press Enter. What you want to do is delete BMP height, BMP width, and window placement. As you also notice, you can change and delete almost anything in here, but these are the three that change the size. So you can right click and do delete and click yes, or click on it, press the delete key, press yes. So let's do that with all three of them. And again, they're all mentioned right here. BMP height, width, window placement keys. Now, those are deleted, and you might be thinking, oh my God, I'm deleting keys in my registry, but check this out. This is why it's safe. Let's start Paint. Let's go down to the registry. Let's press F5. You see the keys are still missing. We're going to refresh it, and you're going to see the keys automatically came back when you started Paint up. Don't make me look bad. Great. Gonna make me look bad. Let's see, we got Paint running. Let's get Paint running. Let's close it. Let's see if we got them here. There they are. Almost made me look bad. So the keys come back. So you can delete almost anything in here, and once you start Paint, they come back. So if you're not sure, you can try a couple of them. They'll come back. And that's it. And that gets you right back to where Paint would show up on your screen right after the Windows 10 install. Also down below, some pretty cool stuff. For example, how to restore a Windows photo viewer. People love that photo viewer over some of the other programs. Add or remove a context menu stuff. Keep your thumbnail cache from being deleted. Blah, blah, blah. There you go. Some pretty cool similar articles as well. Bottom right corner. Major Geeks logo appears right about now. And if you click on that, you can click on subscribe, which we always appreciate. And we thank you for watching, as always. See ya.